in the trip. What do you think it is?
I think some Mustang stuff.
Mustang stuff for who?
From Grandpa.
For what?
From Grandpa.
For Grandpa?
Mhm.
Think so?
Mhm.
Let's see. Project. I'm looking forward to seeing these installed. Okay. All right.
Oh yeah, we got them.
Hey YouTube, so as you guys can see, we just got our decals in. So I've already stripped the boys' cars, except for Max. Might have one or two, but now they've got to be clean. So we're gonna clean them off, and I'm gonna get the boss out of the way so we can apply the decals. Lane's also shredded his wheels, so we might go ahead and tackle that, replace these guys, and let you guys see how gnarly they are. He's on his like 4th set, so it's pretty ridiculous how fast he goes through these things. So I'm gonna have to figure out a better way for him to get some traction and hopefully not destroy the gearboxes. But we've got spare gearboxes if he breaks them, so it'd be good just to see if we can save them here a little bit. So we're gonna pull the car out and then we'll get these things situated. Bye, buddy. Don't ruin them, dude. They'll be done. These are expensive. All right. So we're gonna move the cars where we can clean them. Cars got some problems. You jacked up your back wheels, boy. We're gonna do Max's last. This is dirty. Here you go, Max. Do is wipe it down and clean it off. So we'll knock that out for both cars and then we'll get right back to you. Alright, so we're gonna be as careful as we can putting these on. Peel them off here. Usually I have I gotta see if I got my applicator, put it on better.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh no. Oh yeah.
Let's go to this side first.
Oh yeah.
Let's try and rip it that way. There we go.
Oh yeah.
Oh, this looks good, buddy.
Hi.
Yeah, that looks sick.
Sick.
Yep, sick. That looks really good. Right. There's one decal, and it is identical to mine. I got the decal made, and I'm not the best supplier, so that's why you see bubbles. So I got the decal made by Swan Vinyl Works, so shout out to Jason. These came out great. I really appreciate it. My son, as you heard in the last video, he loves it. So I'm going to go ahead and get the other ones knocked out here, and then we'll get a picture of all the cars together. So thanks, stand by, and we'll knock that out real quick. Max, ready? Here we go.
Oh my goodness.
Here we go.
Right.
Here we go.
Right. Here go.
Yeah, here we go. What's this, Max?
Yeah.
What do you think?
I
Oh, hold on.
love it.
Well, that's not yours, goofball. You're way out there. You did yours. Cooper? You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah? That's awesome. You like it? Turn the other way. There you go. All right, now go get Maddox's. Watch where you're going. All right. What do you think, guys? You like it, Maddox? Max, you like your sticker? All right, let's look at the detail on these things real quick. Let's see, we get this. All right, got this sun. You look at the lettering, and then you look at the real deal. It is really well done. So Jason, I really appreciate it, man. It came out really good. Got some bubbles I gotta pop, but other than that, Layton, you like it? Layton, do you like it?
Yes.
Hey, Jason, we really appreciate it. The decals came out great. So we're gonna pack it up. I got some stuff to work on for these cars. I'm not gonna bore you guys in the video. I gotta replace the wheels and do some touch-up painting, and then we'll get them out for some better pictures here in the near future. But I appreciate you guys watching the creation of the mini bosses. Next, I just got to get a trailer for this bad boy so I can pull them at some point. I actually just got a hitch the other day that fits, and I just got to put the wiring harness in, and we should be good to go. But we're getting ready for car show season. Hopefully we get the start up here soon.
Yeah.
I know this little guy can't wait. But thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Yeah, what's up with your Mustang? You like it? Where's your sticker? Where's your new sticker? Where's your new sticker? Look, it says